Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make user unfreeze. So in my past video, I have given demo to how to make the user freeze. So now you want to make the user unfreeze, then these are the steps which you need to follow. So click on the setup. Then search for users in quick find box. Then here user option gets available. Click on users, and here you will see all the user list. Then find out the user which you want to make it unfree so that he can able to log into the Salesforce. So I want to make this chatter expert user unfreeze. So here you can see the button unfreeze. So click on it, and now this user get unfreeze and he will able to log it to the Salesforce. In this way you can make user unfreeze freeze by using this button. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Do share it. Thanks.